welcome back to my channel. Francessmichelle here. Today's video is a plan related video. So I posted a picture of my recent planner on my Instagram account right here, this picture, and it got massive traffic, and a lot of people were talking about it, and you guys loved it. And a lot of you asked me how did I turn a July 2019 planner and used it into right now. So in this video, I'm going to show you my current planner from the Happy Planner and how I remixed it to use it for now and what things I added and everything. So it's pretty much going to be a flip through of my Happy Planner, which I have not had a Happy Planner that I've been so obsessed with in a long time, guys. I think by far this was my favorite. So before we get started, if you want to go ahead and subscribe to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button right down there and go ahead and grab a snack and join me on this video. Alright, so this is the planner, guys. This is the planner that I recently bought at Hobby Lobby. It is their 18-month planner. It is a brand new collection that launched, and I saw it and I could not pass on it. And then I was like, but it's an 18-month planner, meaning it starts on July. I'm not going to wait till July to use this planner. No. We're going to use it right now. And we're going to do a lot of projects on it. So this is my planner. I am obsessed with it. It says, life is sweet. The rings are like a peachy color. I love it. And how it looks with the black and the pink, it's just gorgeous. So this is their new collection. I bought it at Hobby Lobby. They do have it online, and some Hobby Lobbies, some still have them. And I said, you know what, you're coming with me, and here she is. So guys, if you want to see what is inside and how I turned it into an like a right now planner, the things that are inside, then right here. Alright guys, so here's my planner. So excited to do this video, you don't even know. Okay, so this, like I said, this is a new planner from the Happy Planner, and this is a 18-month planner starting on July. But like I said, I couldn't wait till July, so I remixed it to use it now. I love the color palette of it. I like that peachy, pinky color with black, looks amazing. Alright, so I ended up buying these dashboards separately. They do sell them separately. They do have 3. All I have to do is get the divider tabs here so I can put what it is, but I just thought this was pretty. It says this is the live. I'm going to do vinyl, my name here on vinyl. I have to print it out and cut it. So as you can see, it is from a 2019-2020. I did leave this here. So this is a dashboard that I created using one of the monthly tabs from this planner. I think this was December 2020 if I'm not mistaken. And what I did is I used it, I cut the things off. I really don't mind having this here, honestly. And what I did was I placed a plain cardstock paper on the back side, and I laminated it and I made it into a dashboard because I just thought it was so pretty it couldn't go to waste. So first thing is first, guys, what I did is I removed everything from the planner, and I put in here March, April, May, and June from 2020. I grabbed those 4 months and I put them in the front. And what I did was, see this March, it's from 2020. I put a sticker here to tape over the 2020. And all I did was pretty much add Happy Planner numbers to the month. So what I did was I renumbered pretty much the month into March of 2019. So March 2020 started on Sunday the 1st. And what I did was I just put stickers there. I really don't mind these here, but so moving forward, I place these stickers that come in Happy Planner books, and I just pretty much put them on top of the numbers that were there for March 2020. So that's what I did for March. And also the weeks, as you can see, here's the weeks. So as you can see, I renumbered. Also, these numbers are from the Happy Planner, and all I did was I renumbered every single week all up until the end of March. And I know it can be a little annoying, but honestly speaking,
I did it in less than 5 minutes. I renumbered the whole month of March and the weeks of March, and that's what I did. So I have here my dashboard. I just pretty much took these journaling cards that come for the Happy Planner and these little spots, and I place them here. And then this is pretty much what motivates me, which is my family, my boys, my husband, us. So this is just pretty much a motivational dashboard. And then here I just pretty much put a motivational page that I created, like my favorite quotes for 2019. Then here I place a page with all the YouTube video requests. People requested videos, and then on the back I put whatever I need to do for blogs, Instagram. Then here is my block. This is how I stay organized for the house. I did do a video on this, so it should be up pretty soon on my channel. And then so I did that here. No, they're not here. And then this here is another monthly cover, and what I did was I just pretty much put this cover with this cover together. I put a quote sticker, and then I put these stickers that are in the Simply Lovely booklet that goes perfect with this book, with this agenda, which I thought it was awesome. This book here, guys, the Simply Lovely book, it goes perfect with this agenda, and I was just obsessed with it because it has literally everything this agenda has. It has the swan, it has the roses, it has the colors, and of course here's the roses. So I just pretty much put the roses there, and I laminated it, and I hole punched it, and I used it as a dashboard. So like I said, starting March, I redated it, and I also April I have to redate it. I ran out of the stickers. I had to go get more stickers, but pretty much just redated it, and that's pretty much the project on this one. Just sort of redate the whole entire agenda. But look how pretty, guys. Like, everything is beautiful. And then look how beautiful that is. Shine like the stars. I love it, guys. I love it. So then July, you don't have to redate it because July is to 2019. So there it is. But look at the bow. I just want to show you how pretty this thing is, guys. Like, the color palette on this is amazing. And then December, we have the little cats. Alright, so, and then on the back, what I did was I put another one of these things. I love journaling cards, and these are so pretty, so I decided to put like the ones that I love the most, and I love the rose gold. The foil just stands out. Then this one here, I created some tabs, guys. These tabs are created by me. They do not sell them. I did them myself. What I did is I also took other months' dashboards, and I just pretty much put white cardstock paper in the back. I laminated them, and I used these stickers right in the booklet. I used these stickers, and I just placed them on the lamination and the laminated paper, and I laminated and cut them. So these are 2 or 3 sections that I have. I have here notes. So I just have note paper. And again, another dashboard from another month. Then this one here is from another month, and again, cardstock paper. I put the rose on it. It kind of everything goes together. It's the to-do, and then the last one. Look how pretty. This was also another month. Like I said, all these are months. I just did not want to throw them away, and I really wanted to use them in this planner. And then here is just pretty much my budget. I'm waiting for the new budget to come to store so I can buy it, because I really like to keep budget. And then I had this old pocket folder from an old collection, and I just placed it in there because I thought it went great. So yeah, guys, this is pretty much my planner at the moment. I am totally obsessed with it. I love the color. I love everything I did to it. I absolutely love the color palette, the combination, and I love how this is by far my favorite sticker book, and it goes perfect with this agenda. So I will be grabbing another booklet of this as soon as I find it in stores, because I absolutely love everything in this planner. So if you guys want to see a video on how I did all these dashboards and how I created this these dividers, let me know. I can do a short video to place on IGTV so you guys can actually see how I did it. And then all I have here is this little pretty I don't know if you guys can see it, clip. They are available at my shop. They are just so pretty. They have like this confettis in here. I don't know if you guys can see it. The camera's not focusing. Focus. There we go. It has like this little nice confettis. So these are available in my shop. I do have a few. Also, I have the washi tapes I'm using in this planner. I have the double bow. I have the single bow. And I have this turquoise as well with all the bows. These are just all pretty bows washi tapes. They are available at my shop. I will leave a link down below. And also I have the little tiny clips that I'm working on. So all that is actually down below, guys. I do have a shop, so I'm going to link it down below. So guys, yeah, this is it. This concludes my video. This concludes my flip through of my personal classic happy planner, which I am totally obsessed with. And yeah, so I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for taking from your time to watch my video. And that's my 4-month-old baby asking for attention, so I have to go. And last thing, don't forget to follow me on my Instagram down below, Planning with Francess. All my information will be right down below. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for sticking till the end. I'll see you on my next video. Bye.